Hello everyone, welcome to week 33. So I'm going to be doing kind of an informal setup, basically like I've done the past like 3 times, because again, our house is kind of a mess. It's actually gotten a lot better, and I probably could film in the guest room if I wanted to, but I'm sitting downstairs and that would mean I would have to go upstairs, and I don't really want to do that because nothing's set up, which means that I would have to set up everything and I don't want to do that. So bear with me. Jay is officially working from home this week. His work transitioned his whole team to work from home, and so that's been a really interesting transition, and I think it's gonna be really good. It's just really weird to have him home like all the time. Like he's working, like he's still working from 7 a.m. to 3:30 p.m. and you know, he has to clock in, he has to, you know, follow all the standard procedures that he would be doing at the workplace. And so it's kind of weird because it's not like his work is like more flexible or anything like that. Like he's still under the same guidelines. So it's been interesting. Week 33 has gone pretty well overall, I would say. I don't know. I feel like not feeling well is becoming so much more normal. I don't even know what it's gonna be like for 6 months after baby, like I don't know what normal for my body feels like anymore, because I'm like constantly in pain. I'm constantly just not feeling well or tired or, you know, whatever. So I think it's gonna be really weird to like get my body back. It's gonna be really strange. Baby has been moving a lot. He is having very abrupt movements that are kind of painful, just because he's getting bigger. He's, I think, the size of a cantaloupe this week, I think is what he's technically the size of, about 4.5 pounds. That's a heavy baby. I mean, that's a good sized baby. So it's just crazy to think that he's getting so big and his movements are becoming so strong because he's running out of room inside. And so it's just been really interesting. He is definitely disturbing my sleep these days. I find myself waking up because he is moving. And so that's really kind of weird, but I think it's kind of cool because it's, you know, it's my little baby, and you know, if he has to wake me up, that's fine, I guess. My SPD is still flared up. I went to the chiropractor this week and he did some weird pressure point stuff, and I think it really helped. I went on Monday. I'm trying to hold off and just go once a week, mainly because it gets really expensive, and he said that I should only really be meeting once a week at this point. So I'm going to try to like just continue with once a week and see how my body does. But whatever he did was really helpful, and he shot me with like this little like pin gun thing, and I don't know what he does, but somehow it just fixes things. It's very strange. But after my appointment later that afternoon, I started getting sciatic nerve pain on my right side, which normally I get it on my left side. And so I think whatever we adjusted kind of affected that. And so I've had some sciatic nerve pain, and it's more of like the really sharp and sudden nerve pain. And so like it'll come on like really suddenly, and all of a sudden I'm like, ah! But it seems to be like subsiding a little bit. I've been stretching and doing, you know, like the standard stretches that you do for sciatic nerve pain according to Google, and those have been helping. Overall, as I said, I've been feeling pretty good. I have been getting more nauseated more often, which is a huge bummer, which is also affecting my blood sugars. And so because I feel nauseated, I don't want protein, I don't want veggies, I just want carbohydrates, and it's just, I don't know, it's just kind of rough, because I want to care for my body, but when you feel sick, it's hard to like get that protein and like good fats and veggies in. So we'll see. Hopefully, I think I'm gonna make some soup and stuff like that this weekend and see how that goes. But the nausea is definitely an issue. My blood sugars have been a little bit higher than they should be. They're still with, most of them are within range of normal, but I'll have like a few spikes, typically at breakfast, because typically at breakfast that's when I feel the worst, and when I just want like a piece of toast and like some peanut butter or something like that, or I've been really wanting like apples and things like that. And so I'm trying to reduce my sugar content in the mornings to help regulate that. This morning I just had a protein shake. I had some of my milk and protein powder, and my protein powder has 22 grams of protein for 6 or 7 carbs and 0 grams of sugar. So it's an intense protein shake. So I think hopefully that will regulate my sugars this morning. That is all I have to report as far as baby this week. We do have our baby shower coming up on Saturday, and so I will be sure to maybe make like a little montage of the events and stuff like that. And I'm really excited though. I think I've peeked at our registry and like some of the items that have been taken off of there, and I just feel so blessed, the fact that we are receiving so much. People are so generous when you're having a baby, and it's just so appreciated because we don't have anything, you know? I mean, we do have clothes and a chair and a crib, which is generally all you need, but there's all this, you know, other random stuff that you need for a baby. And so I'm just really excited and kind of overwhelmed to go to my baby shower, because I don't know, I find it weird to ask people to come to an event in which they are to bring me presents. Does anyone else feel weird about that? Because I feel weird about it. And so I think we're gonna open some of the presents at the baby shower and then open the rest afterwards, just because I don't know, I just kind of feel weird about it. I don't know, maybe that's just me. Does anyone else feel weird about that? Anyone? But that is all I have for week 33. I hope that you guys enjoyed this clip. Please press the subscribe button below to get more videos and updates about what's going on with baby and us and everything like that. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys next time.